your carpets looking dull, shabby, or stained? No matter how well you vacuum your carpets, sometimes ordinary household vacuum cleaners just aren't enough, especially in those high-traffic areas, or if you have pets. Professional cleaning removes bacteria, germs, and soiling from your carpets with a really deep clean. Professional cleaning, deodorizing, and sanitizing can revitalize your carpets and have them looking and smelling like new again. Our technicians are certified, experienced, and fully licensed. And as well as cleaning your carpets, we can give you advice on how to care for and protect them in the future. Clean carpets contribute to good health. Find out how a professional carpet cleaning company can help you. Contact us today.